in the stands. Let's see the effects of their presence. Ishmael Ado. Ball towards Christina Chinim Boateng, but goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara.
Ajinim scored.
Kwampoku, former Kotoko striker.
And former of France Warriors, now Victory Club Warriors.
Yes. He's here to give his support to the Porcupine Warriors. It feels good when the legends are back. He's played for the club before.
Kotoko are lacking goals in terms of scoring consistently above one. And Opoku, when he was with Kotoko, we saw his numbers. He was the fans' favorite. Kwame Opoku.
Saka looking for Cheba 4. Dramana lost it to Ishmael Ado. Kochopin Jr. That was a dangerous ball, but Intim did some very good defensive works.
Intim should always release the ball as quick as possible.
Ishmael Ado. Ado trying to look for Achinim. Achinim gets it well. Blocked by Elvis Cheba 4. And a corner for the away side. Heart of Lions.
Ajinim Boateng moving into the outlets, hoping to get something for Heart of Lions.
Corner taken. Cleared out. Ofurisachi. Ishmael Ado. Justice play to Asiedu. Saka gets there. Comes back to Lord Amor. Cheba 4. Ado. Nice control on the far side by Yao Danso. Foul one by Danso for Lions. 20 minutes. No goals here to show. But the two teams enjoying themselves.
Yao Danso, former of Liberty Professionals, this afternoon. It's very effective, but I'm not seeing the best of Albert Amoa this afternoon. What that boy again? Look at Lekova. He was trying to take Patrick Asedu on.
Maybe why you are not seeing Albert is Ebenezer Abba. Let's see.
Of course. Just don't try Mohamed Kamara on long balls. That is his favorite quality, to show his presence in goal post.
Team. Kamara to Che. Che Dramana fighting to keep the ball for himself. O'Neal play.
Just watch the 4-4-2 formation from Bashir Hayford. Numbers at the back line to give that solid pair, closing spaces, minimizing the distance between players.
Kotoko Jr. offering that presence, that heavy metal football up front for Heart of Lions. His ability to press is one of the best you can get in the game. Danso locates Yakubu. Lions playing with confidence. Yakubu is in pain.
Nice edifits at the Linkley Sports Stadium.
Johnny, now for the crack, somebody there, what can you put on? National Jappy, somebody there, what younger, Asante Kotoko. Born and baby cry. Born and baby cry. 27 minutes a year. Now born here cooking. This mechanism. Born one to Alpha. Born in Kaja. Born here through. Then to Ventia. Out of Lions. Dear to Ventia out of Lions. Now I'm here for them. Emmanuel entry. Wait the bottom. Now born the cry. I'll be checked for. What a bunny bum. Where you born up into battle. Into battle. Watch it. Into battle. Watch you into battle. Nothing to me. Roughly. What's your trouble? Best mechanism. What are you born your floor? What are you born your floor? At the front of the goal. What is it? Go to Virginia! Go! Junior! The first goal! Asante Kotoko, and the Masha, area miscommunication between Samba and Afonso, Muhammad Kamara. I was for mistake. And now Muhammad Kamara Bonani and a Kotopi Junior, Peter Bon Massa. Now, just Atanakasa. Kotoko Chevy, Heart of Lions, Asha Park Warnum, Sanatia, Asante Kotoko.
Francophone, I mean, once a friends, Militia, over to me and Casa, Camara, Samba O'Neill. I mean, now Samba, I communicate to keep and say, Manema, and also communicate, also catch Samba, so Banti, going up on now, on feeling comfortable to me. But as there, as a player say, we to be about to be Monty, the man in Tranon Grave Floor, and I'm quite good to be or to be a lobby born I mean, against the run of play for Kotoko, they've been the better side. We just unlucky, say, I want to be so go so far. We don't say, Lions for the keep put down. I would have put in a very tight corner, Edmonds and Kotoko. Dr. Ogum, the grade 8 tactics and Shepherd Piano, also Samri and also Iba, Sans will be a during the year. 1 year, none there, almost have a drop of points.
Young to us, Asante Kotoko. They are done one play tonight against Heart of Lions. 1 year also. Now for the campus in Timano, one the Cabana, once a man of Bonantianco, now for the crack, Lona, what your body, Lona, nothing to me, Heart of Lions of Rancham, away from your floor. Light 94.9, Fish one of them, and I'm for sure with channel. You have a smack Yasani, Kotoko. What we shall be, Heart of Lions, how much of back one, now for the campus mechanism, why you point your floor, I was your floor, somebody there, I was your floor, why is the floor, I was your floor, Nana Pamopon, what was Savono? Nana Pamopon Savono, one goalkeeper fellow, we have a command and what's Sano? What was Sakra? Oh, manager, what was a mistake to defense in a hope. What you are 2-on-1, the whole control was 2-on-1. What was it? Samba need that is growing on players too, out of them players too. Defender one by quarter. Who try it? I know what I take at the other side. Who can try it? Into us all, and that's something to I was for. Chance to us what was in the glass sports stadium. Johnny Toya, so we are dancing right back to our 10 governor and championship for the trouble in the Toya Strayer. For the Petro Tissa, into a minute to the wall. About 20 come, never saw Cano, 1 year Trosso, 1 Abrantia Farm, Abba for, Nazavi, 1 and Tianco. 1 and Tianco, somebody, walking on your floor, now Bonica, now come upon, a point of another, Christian Porting, what you come on, why you brought to, and I have to find the governor, Christian Porting, what you brought to, Jabi, 1 and Tianco. Masa, Peniabru. Bonnie and Trosso, now for the government here for no entry, one watch about him, and the other, what the cashier, what the Boneba, watch about him, now for the grand Timano, why you want about Chilano, now for the government here for hey, Mama Camara, come on, the Cabana, nothing roughly, nothing roughly. Refra pana pesa bwana mikase. Bwana temporary job. Bwana temporary job. And Asante Kotoko. Woman Chevy, Hat of Lions, Ashapako. Hat of Lions, Ashapako. Ya what's my guess on here? Ghana Premier League Manchester, and I'll push you out with Junior. One of us are good. I don't have to Lions. Woman last 14 games, for one should have compared. And that's something to talk. One should have compared. Jen Trosso, now put the cover into a funnel. Let's look at him. Necessary, but I touch you. 1 year through. Yen Tofentia. Asante Kotoko. Woman Chevy. Hat of Lions, Amashapako, now Bonica, and Mr. Timano, one watch about him, Bonica and Tiafano, Sambona, Entry, one watch about him, Bonica, and Mr. Timano, one watch about him, and Abraham Tiafano, Entry, Benacom, Romanako, Patrick Casero, Ryan Crossman, Kotoko, Nasabi, this mechanism, what up in body floor, now Bonica and Tiafano, Blay, Jabana, Patrick Casero, now Bonica and Tiafano, and Mr. Timano. Intimate the Cabana, one watch about him, 1994.9, and I'm with you, which you want to one watch about him, now Bonica, make a check on him, to them and about him, and I'm not answering for him, in my entry, not to the Cabana, where you go to play, Black Pena, to a jump, Patrick Casero, what your father, yes indeed, Patrick, I said, what him, a Penapana, Kotoko, Nasutapi. Evidence happen. What are you born here for? No Bonica, not the flyer, but not Virginia, but you, Nasutabi, what are you born here for? No Bonica, I'll be for, I would say, whatever, Abatawa, but the Nasutabi. Born here Konaki, for Yamon Fentia, Heart of Lions. Yamon Fentia, Heart of Lions. Yabosman Makumako, and Jasanunia, Wafarikai, Asante Kotoko, Romo and Chevy, Heart of Lions, Amashapakuanum, Bonamaka Saponia Konaki, Loramwa, Wapedapono, Kotoko, Nasutapi, Dewuda Saka, Musafor, Bono Kumiano, Bonam Padukra, Boni and Koki Kamon Fentia. Asante Kotoko, Johnny Tuaya Soya taxi driver, Cabana Uche, Giza Petro, into our pana, 22 more, Johnny Tuaya Soya, Johnny Petro, Nantumia Wow, about to Ayatame Kama, Yasan Katokra, Johnny Tuaya joy of the moment, Johnny Tuaya annual Thanksgiving service, no, a Dr. Committee Sports Complex, Abrancase. Brian Mompire, and Shimpire, Yankupon Massa, Menfenia Grokra, Yankupon, Menfenia, but Tuntumate, and it was 10 January 2025. Our Dr. Committee Sports Complex Abrancase, Sanitaire, Asofonepa, and you to Forepa, Lawrence Osai, Kiparamount of Lions, Wapajapona, now Ponica, Jane Jamana, and Abrantia Farm, Patrick Casero, Watcher, Captain Miansa, what a Panipa, Watcher Fasten, Naponica, Abatamwa, Opetaporo, Tete, Nasujabi, Best Macanim, Wapin Body Floor, Aramata Flyers, Naponica, Christian Poite, Atonsu Pentaki, when I bought a camera, Naponica Ishmael, when I tell one, Rafi, Washington Campionship, the San Sabrantia Fano, Jauda Saka, one water from the Rapim, was upon your temporary order. What's up on here? Temporary order. Lighting 4.9. Fishing one from Fishing one after 3.5. And turning pattern will be a PMA with temperature 4. With the other college, Jato Solitino, Ghana Premier League, match day 9. And I'll push forward to comment on Asante Kotoko. Woman Chevy, Hata Lions, Momo, Asha Paco, Kotopi Junior, one of Boss Alcono, Adamata Lions, Asante Kotoko, after 8 games, or 15 points, after Sumieru, Samson after Lions, after 8 games, 11 points, after Sumachu Honum, and yet Ghana Premier League, I was for Hata Lions, 2022, Kataka. Oma Hutadiro, Giant Killers, and our face Zuwano, Yasan Kataka, Rabia Kasia Santa Kotoko, 1935, and yet Ghana Premier League, 26 Noaje, and Yasan Kataka, Gamma Jamacha, I am Popo, I am Tete. Born in Casino, born in Cloud of Lions, Chris Macanim, Wapin the Pono, the Patrick Casero, why you born the floor, Anderson Timano, Monaco, Abrantia Firm, Emmanuel, Born Chiafa, Nasutabi, Bonica, Rubianase, Out of Lions, Wajabonum, Naponaba, Santa Saco, Bonica Abrantia Firm, Ismanatum, Wajabonum, Yaudanso, Yaudanso Jabonum, Bonica, Mustafa Yakubu, Yakubu Trabano, Yakubu Jabonum, Rubianase, Henasa Jabonum, now Bonica, Nikokipa, Abrantia Firm, Larinso say, Asante Kotoko, Araponeba, Waipanaba, Santa Saco, Ismanatum, Abna Trabano, Wajabonium, Naponica, Nikokipa, Santa Lions, Larinso say, Wanda Trabano, Lapena Nasubule, Yapping on the floor, Naponica Abrantia Firm, and a Pesmacanim, and my Jabonum, Nasutabi, Christian, and a party, a Toshi Turkey. Christian Ejeri make I last 3 years now as a high school. No one strike mom. Yasam Ketra. And Yasam Ketra. Sabatia Christian Ejeri Boate. I was your foot given my demarche. Yabasima Kuma Yasan and Kunia. 39 minutes in your ball. 39 minutes in your ball. Born in Casey, Asante Kotoko, Roman Sherry, not the France, Amasha Patrick Casero, what are you born your floor? Naponica, Abrantia Fana, and a family of what's your Fana, and a comment upon Born Tiafa, Joe Saka, where you born your floor, Bonapa, Campus Lions, and some more, evidence upon the Crapana, and now you born upon the Fana, Lawrence Sosay, every Panamata Flyers, Bono Metro, what you want to put the Abrantia Fana, Ruby and Essie, and a Sajabonum, and a Yaudanso, Yatayadanso, Bonanicase, Bonia Fau, Yaman Fentia, Kotoko, Jaman Fentia Clubia, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Light 94.9 Alcusra Utino, Fishing one of Fishing one of Abusha Kevin Marabanche, Emaja, Ayatata, Kotopi Junior. Governor Bocono, Atumare, out of Lions, Proclama, Bona Vigilam, Sanatian, Bona Casana Bonica, Rubianese, Nanacina Crapana, one went to Cabrantia Fund, we are resourcing, Boggy Parliament of Lions, Wapatapona Tessé, Saka, walking by the floor, Naponica, Abatamwa, Wachabono, Wanaba, Santa Saco, and Lucy Timano, Nasutabi, Christian Petaki, one way by the floor, Dragon Button, Naponica, Casero, Latanum, Bonia Fowl, Yaman Fentia, Hat of Lions, Yabasima Sabakuye, Simajana Bakuye, Simon Adjana, Bakuye, Yana Mabusha, make us a Baratasha, one throw, Yato Ventia, Kotoko, Bismarck, and him, what's your one, Asante Kotoko, away one your floor, one your throw, one your throw, and two Ventia Kotoko, Bismarck Ajanum, Bismarck and Murata. Bismarck and him, where we're Capano, Bakuya Santobano, one and Tianco, Napolica, Abatamwa, Waja, Himalanchi, Nasutami Waja, one year foul, Yaman Fencer Kotoko, Shaman Fencer Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Asante Kotoko Cherry, Heart of Lions, Abushan Form, Wama Shapakuanum, Wama Shapakuanum. Sanatia, Bonia Trosso, no one Carantia, the Feno, Avicheva, Auche, Wache, or the Bonipa, no one Carantia Feno, and the Sentimano, Erako, Bonako, Saka, Sakananja, Nesutami, one and Tianco, not the flag of Lantano, evidence happen, why Bonia Floor, no Bonapra, Rumianasi, and the Bonipa, Wacha Bonapra, or Dobby Volantianco, Patricia Seru, why Bonacarantia Fenum, some boner, nothing Jami, one and Tianco. Rumianese, why you want your floor, Tanako, Womanako, Patricia Seru, Yakanum, Bonia Fowl, Jamon Fentia, Heart of Lions. Ghana Premier League match tonight, and I could swear with you. Live commentary, our fishing 1 FM, 93.5, light 94.9, and I could swear with you. And Felix Jate, Charlie Gino, and I want to make it now. Buona Cabrantella, Sambone, Jabonim, and the Abrantella Forum, Patrick Sambone, now Bonica, Joda Saka, where Jabonim, Kotoko, Robert Cornes, Jami, Patrick Bono Bueno, it's Maladway Bonia Floor, now Buona Cabrantella, Kotopi Junior, Personal Bonantanko, Bonica, Kotoko, Sambone, Patrick Kotoko, my goodness. My goodness, man over Abatamwa, with your four. What was your bono? What was your bono? And your son Ketra, and your son Ketra, and your son Ketra. 45 minutes, I was your four. I can't see my back on 45 minutes in National. I can't see my back on Bonia cooking. Lawrence will say, well, wait on Bonati, one of the Piasso, Papayapona, one of our Santa Second, intimate in one floor, now by the Cabrantilla Funnel. One of the Danso, Yaranso Jabud, one of Cabrantilla Ishmarato, out of the Bonipa, back to Yaranso, Papayapona, now Bonica, Arantivana, Mustafa Yakubu, Yakanam, Bonia Fowl, Jamon Fentia Kotoko. Jamon Fentia Krabia, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and Asante Kotoko, Bonia Fowl, and Tentam, Wetaban, Yakubu, Mustafa, why you want to, and Dobby Junior, the Coscora, whatever, Nasutavi, Bonantianco, Caracabrantan, Intimate Bonia Floor, so Wanica, out of Lions, Bismarck and him, why you want to, this other party, now Bonica, Bismarck and him, watching Bismarck and him, Nasutavi. Buona Nicocay, Buona Conaki, Yamon Fentia, 45 minutes in action, 45 minutes in action, M&A, Latif, and Jasha, Adori, 105 referee, what is Mama Kumiasa, and I can come now, Buona Conaki, Yamon Fentia, Kotoko. Jamon Fentia, Krabia, Kumasi Asante, Kotoko. Ishmanato, when we Japanachi, Ishmanato, not Refabanabe, and to Ishman, Rapapano, Heart of Lions, not Javanon, Blay Ponato, Jamana, Bonaka, Abatamwa, Asante Kotoko, Abatamwa, Chakuraka, what a Poniba, Abatamwa, Yatarum, Rafi, upon a Messaponia foul, Jamon Fentia, Heart of Lions, and Tantam, every Javafo, what my Javanum, now Bonaka, Arantifum, Abatamwa, Manako, not the Japan. I was shot for. What you find upon the camera out of fly come to the moment. When I tell you upon the camp, I ran to a film. Young so, what upon the bar. Young so, Javan, upon the crowd, and I come upon, and I come upon the cabano, upon Javan, now upon the crowd, not the fly on, over the bar, now upon the crowd, I ran to a funnel. Young so. Joshua Chabano, one of the other Chabani, Emmanuel for searching the Cabano, such a Chabano, now for the Cabarantia, Emmanuel, Sachi, not the flying, I'm going to play them, but I'll be Junior, necessary. Kwato Junior, Kwato Junior, former player of the foot, one of what is good on Germany, half the Flyers, Sima and I, Niansa, referee Counter, Yapomero, Akabakum, Naman Camara, at one Pennington. Camara has a 5. Bonnie and Trotto, Mama Camara, open the corner, Sakarauta, Sakarauta, manager, Bonnie and Trotto, Asante Kotoko, Bonnie and Cookie. Demon Asante Kotoko, no Bonica, Robin Sosai, what a Bonipa, what community and shot, what pay upon the turn canal, one of the Lapping Bonnie floor, no Bonica, Tendona, watching, what community and San Kotoko, Womanako, no Bonica, Sakadoda, what's your person, Messenger European essay, every month from now, referee, Emmanuel Travel, not first up in Napoli, Kotoko, Bonnie Friki, Bonnie Friki. Bonnie Friki, Coach Bass, Master Coach Bass, dressing and body. And then Coach Bashir Effort, Master, the dressing and body. Manager own Coach Bass dressing. Coach Bass dressing and body. What's it?
What was our match? Biano Yache. Or the Boko to Kubiano Chesa down.
Young Cross, Bonnie Friki. Light 94.9, and I'll go slow with you. Boema, Kai manager. Manager, Jonathan Asebu, Sokoban Fatro, who are you watching the place was in my very getting up my way. You must have something from everything. But you always some of the serious of Israel. 104.5. First off, we want to be up on a year. First off, we want to be up on a year. Was in Langley Sports Stadium. Could have been a commercial Asante Kotoko and Chevy, not of Lions. One way shape back one, but Joe Junior, one on a bush of 4, one on just when you're good, I don't have to fly and I have to fly for first half of the year. Warm up, papa, first half of it. John Kevin in a garden. This one from light from my crowd. First half, Ghana Premier Imagine 9. One more and Chevy. How to fly on special back committee at the Felix Judge Solidino. My third one was
and because already much one. Let him say, Dr. Ogumi, a game be a certain piano. Also, he play because 45 minutes is enough to be to that tennis game in their favor. So, yeah, you're never back to the second half.
Hi. Emmanuel Entry, player of the month of September. Just group presentation of Yamana or Julian Wood dressing room. Player of the month of September.
Okay, so yeah,
Group.
you can comment kakra eti amba. So if we Thomas Partey, so we need Papa and Fernando, Rashford, and not to see. So House of Lions, I have to do a junior and it's me and the man, Heart of Lions. Your comment on so we are live from Mabuasi Sports Club. So yeah, I'm going to use Ezekiel, I say Kotoko, okay, Gavo Isaac, Favor, so all the best guys, El Punchy, Kudesh, also if you like, I'm out for the Lions, they take it by the start. So you need to comment. You need to comment. Yeah, young kind comment in first game, first half, first half. But from what I saw, Kotoko, so Mikuchi, a lot of chances. I would say Kotoko. I would say Kotoko. Okuchi, a lot of chances. Yes. Yes, a lot of fans say especially a couple of fans. Okay. Okay, Kwaku Mensah also Kotoko will win. Ediana Heba also scores. House of Folk is House of Lions is leading by a goal. Ojo Ben Jr. and a goal goal. So, such Ojo also Fabu Papa Black Sugar also fabulous, the best fabulous. Immediately. So first half from the first half and second. From the look of things in the first half, very difficult. Very difficult. Tell them I come and say something about it. Because in the first half, around 30th minute, and you come and say something about it. Once you go, yeah, good job, Junior, and so go, and the man, Heart of Lions. Yes, a mistake, and I buy and I good job, Junior. HP ball no ADC keeper no it's after say House of Lions say go na man for them say don't back it down but they still came pushing forward there's a and there's a for any na yɛ den a come the go back kora kan wan sa na nka o ma kɔ first half dem po So one check. Remember, second half.
Skipper, nothing has happened in one team. We shall say it too. Nana makeup. House of Lions leading by a goal. Emmanuel, the coach is not his academic coach. That's which is in force of the season.
Scored by Kojo Obin Jr. Can the second half be the solution for the Porcupine Warriors? Or they will go on and on to taste their second successive defeat? The second half begins. Kotoko down by a goal. They need to pull every string, play with every bit of sweat, and try to attack with every red fiber they have now. No compromise. This is, of course, a Herculean task for the Porcupine Warriors. 45 more minutes to taste defeat, to draw, or to make a comeback.
And a lot of work is expected from Asante Kotoko. Look at it. What it takes will take place.
Ball taken. We go straight to Kamara. No time to waste. This is a ball. Emmanuel Ofori Sachi. This is still Sachi. And Samba Onel. His pass. Out of play.
Mustafa Yaku, Obin Jr., and Adenim Boateng. You could see their experience in the league and what they offer anytime they're with the ball. Watch that move. The slide tackle from Asiru wasn't that good, and Samba gave a decently clean tackle.
Kamara to Blay. Opens up to Lord Amoa. This is Barfour. Barfour gets it again. Antwi. Amoa. Good exchange of passes. This is Ntim. Ntim gets it back. Tries a long ball. No room for good clearance from Ruben Hennessy. Coach Bashiru Hayford still not convinced and not so excited by the team's performance.
Of course. His handwork is working. Look at how they organize themselves off the ball. Look at numbers in defense. No spaces for Kotoko.
Ntimu tried that shot. Another mouth-watering save. From Lawrence Osei. Brilliant. Team. And how do you explain that? That the ball failed to hit the back of the net.
Watch the build up. But again and again. The trigger from Ntim. And a jaw-dropping save from Lawrence Osei. He's a man to beat in post, even if you are able to surpass all the defenders. Tough opponent for Kotoko this afternoon.
or say Yakubu and Gilbani O'Neill was there just at the right time.
Yakubu was the man who gave Heart of Lions that hope against Adriana Stars. He scored the only goal when Adriana Stars were trying to find their way to grind results out of them.
Saka Dauda. They need to be back to defend. Corner taken by Ado. Justice Blake got the touch first. Ado gets the best. Down. Free kick. Very good position. And could cause another problem for the Porcupine Warriors.
The wingers are pacey. And their ball retentional skills, you can see, it's interesting. And the fullbacks are struggling to contain this Heart of Lions attack. Obin Jr. hovering around, sniffing for spaces. The likes of Adenim Watson. Ismail Aldo just setting in the heart of defense to give shield and also aid in ball progression.
Yakubu. This was not that ambitious by Yakubu. O'Neill to him, ball intercepted by Kocho Obin Jr. Look at the calmness alone from Obin. Throw for Kotoko.
He knows this Kotoko team very well because he played against them in the Ghana version of El Clasico for Hearts of Oak.
Abetamoa. Pass to bar 4. Lord Amoa crosses. A blasted wide. Way above. Another foul given to the away team. Mustafa Yakubu.
His link-up play, his ability to drop deep to progress the ball is something very good. So the midfielders of Kotoko are trying to track him, but it's not working because he is very, very athletic and mobile. Yakubu Mustafa.
Abetamoa. Try keeping it in play, but the pitch seemed too narrow to contain what Abet wanted to do with the ball.
5 goals this season in 8 games, equaling his last season overall performance for Green Olympics. He scored 5 goals last season for Olympics after the whole season. But this time, 5 goals in 8 matches and still counting. He's the man Kotoko is trying to rely on anytime they need results. A certain Aban is marking him closely. No spaces.
Justice play. Headed out. Blay goes again. Albert Tamoa goes down. And Yao Danso. And the likes of Ebenezer Aban have another defending to do.
Kotoko got the same ball in the first half. Same angle, same position. Look at the tussle. And just
wide, it will be a dangerous ball. In team,
this ball, you need a bit of technique than going for a power. It's very close to the goal post. Remember the likes of Award Remani of Recruit Chelsea. Glasner Wako zone will punish you from this angle. That was quite unfortunate from Emmanuel or in team rather.
Match Yakubu. This pass went straight to Che. Fouls keep popping up. Emmanuel and Chi being taken off for Babayaya.
Babayaya is at King Faisal. He's more or less a number 10, a link-up midfielder. But this season he's used as a winger, and you could see the struggles within Babayaya. Let's see whether he can add that spark of creativity Kotoko needs this time.
Baba could be the final piece of the puzzle. Siedu, and that will be a goal kick.
Kotoko on the front foot, but they must be very careful because Obin Jr. is always sniffing for spaces, isolating himself on the touchline for balls. Kotoko conceded here. In the first half against Young Apostles, they came back and did the magic. Against Recruit Chelsea, they conceded the first goal. They restored parity. Today they are down. Can they do it? The history of the venue is backing them. But again, who is that man?
Powerful goes to team. Bayaya.
A lot of free kicks for the Porcupine Warriors. But access of creating from open play isn't working. Just find a way to draw something out of moment of set pieces.
Three different.
Patrick Cassidy, the border. 1, 2, 3, Patrick Cassidy. Okay, the border to go into the pool, a bit of one, and another beach. Heart of Lion. Or maybe border field. Referee Shana say offside. Referee Shana say offside. Pay to do. What's it fabulous? We can do it. Pay to do. Or my fabulous Romura. Still, Fabulous can do it. They are offside. Watching Delhi. Okay, phase blue type. Okay. And my eyes is also clear to serious. I'm going to take too much as I'm going to kill you. What I'm here for the move. We are quick showing. What's more than 30 seconds? We're looking at me now. Referee and players, we are Santo Ball. Bar Isaac, also Kotoko players must be here. Bar Isaac, that you are the Amazon. Hearts of Lions, stay with the ball. That's the baby. I'm one day. A bit more bucking it down, baby. We're trying to do nothing. Referee say, hey, foul. Hard, Mr. Also more hoop, liar. Hard, Mr. Also more hoop, liar. Jambone Piambone ya Kumanikiba. Goalkeeper Kamara. Piambone Sabia back. Samuel pick up body 50 going into the 80-yard box. That's it. Patrick Shady with the ball. Where the ball now in corner. Patrick Shady the ball now in the corner. Charles Owusu was it Ogum? Was it Ogum is not good coach? Was it Ogum is not good coach? Patrick Shady. Let the ball in the corner. Wahana. Pick up body 10 to the goal. That's it. Heart of Lions is leading by a goal. Heart of Lions leading by a goal. Marcia Asante Kotoko 0, Heart of Lions 1. Pigabone Tete Korean. That's what happened. Somebody was the board with the free order. Marcia Asante Kotoko. Now for your money, that's the baby. Now there's so much in the moment. Right down so say plenty connect, but they can't head it. I am very serious. But we bet you go and I can Diego. Now should that be Heart of Lion. Heart of Lion. Oh my you born a few. You must have something to watch about refugees and sort of refugees to us. Now you have to board a hard to stop. I see Ogun take a pick and agenda propaganda. Lions all the way. Calling someone also for shoot up their game. But Isaac also for players must be patient when they reach the goal area. Where are you throwing? Watch your body, team where a long throw with 3 Korea, maybe and another day. Heart of Lions, on my year period. Must have some control bonnet and professor. I can't and for the body chain. The men will pick up body to personal. Now to Debbie. Heart of Lions to the rescue. Heart of Lions to the rescue. The Ogun must know how to do it. Must have something to worry about. Debbie. Heart of Lions. Send your multi defender now on the way. Heart of Lions. Heart of Lions. Now to Debbie. Kamara. Baby Piampo Rio. Eddie of a blue with the ball. Or Piampo by people. Let's have Piambono. Or Piambono. So must have Asante Kotoko. Or Mubu Duomo. Or try some Mubu the second half. Now to Debbie. Eddie of a day more. Send a Heart of Lions. See the game on the water. Kamara with the ball. Or Piambono Basio. Samba. Or football the Tete to the Korean Nurse Debbie. Heart of Lions, I'm up the board. You're true. You're to the Heart of Lions. On the part of board in 10 tips. Pick up board across the border. It's the Korean store. Waiting here for board. Waiting there, then as Debbie. Heart of Lions once again. Almost stop you over anymore. Board more, I second half of the fire. Heart of Lions leading by a goal. Pedro Jr. Anything about goal in the first half of the man. Heart of Lions. Kumasi Asante Kotoko with the ball. Now to Debbie. The ball has been stopped swiftly. The ball has been stopped. Goal TV. I say it's just a matter of time. We'll rise up for the team. Let's see. Prince Minka. I say Prince must win this game. Really. Okay. Watching them, for see no game plan. Fernando also needs a sharp attacker. Ogun too sharp, too much. Heart of Lions with the ball. Keep champion on floor. Heart of Lions. Second half, why is dangerous and so hard. Our ball is short. That's the lady. Too much Asante Kotoko. Almost copy a short to no Honoma. Heart of Lions still with the ball. That's the lady. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Are you 50-50 ball? It's a Kima maintain. I will Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The 18-yard bossy. Kotoko with a breakthrough. Obetimia pass na Kumara. Obetimia Pana. Now to the Heart of Lion. Heart of Lion. by the ball left Haj Mustafa. Also your coverage is so good. Haj Nedasi. Right down so if Abet Amwa don't score, nobody will score. And Yama 1-1. Maybe Abet Amwa. Then I just want to go now. They must see Asante Kotoko. I yet last meal. I will hold it. Make sure Paul was please tell the guy in front of you. Asante Kotoko is down by a goal. Heart of Lions leading. Joe Obin Jr. with the only goal in the game now for Heart of Lions. Second half video, which you said, Asante Kotoko, Omoni Abo, said the baby or more everything at football. Second half on the ball 23 minutes. 23 minutes into the second half. 23 minutes into the second half. We are still in the game. So to avoid and he didn't have to search for I didn't effort.
Spark of experience and fear factor. He knows how to score goals regardless. Chances only need to be created. And Obin Jr. in the likes of Abednego, Zlatan. Look at the height. His other play will benefit the likes of
Heart of Lion.
Hey. Boy,
Out of down, the referee has shown our way.
Obin Jr. can now stop intimidating from running attack because I'm not sure the likes of Justice Bay alone can handle him. Isolated forward, occupying your center backs. That is what Abednego does.
Ball towards Lord Amwa. Amwa's touch wasn't the best. Good movement. And Kojo Obin Jr. failed to join. Yao Danson. Heart of Lions.
Look at the tactical shift. Obin Jr. is now trying to play just behind Abednego Tete.
Fernando Bassi. How Dansu goes down, Bassi.
That was a clever move from Fernando Bassi. Just watch the tussle. Coming through two defenders. But just inches away from post. That pass from Saka Dauda. Look at the run from Fernando. The tussle physically. What a turn. But just inches away. And when luck is on your side, such balls goes against you.
Emmanuel Oforisachi gets back to Bismarck and him. Ruben Hennessy, good turn. Ball towards Hennessy. And Heart of Lions have a throw.
Hennessy coupled with Ebenezer Aban. These are two experienced names, and you could see how they are managing the attack of Kotoko. Being it Albert Amua, Fernando, or even Saka Dauda, no problems at all in defense for Heart of Lions.
Substitutions to be made. Michael Chedramina being taken off for Samuel Tinedu. And also Albert Amwa will be replaced by Peter Aqua Amidu.
Aqua is set to find his feet for Kotoko this season. Let's see. The Tinedu the fans has been calling for any moment, any time. It's on the field, and he knows this step very well.
Babayaya Fernando Passi.
I'm expecting some calmness from Fernando, in as much as he's trying to create something for Kotoko, but he must be calm and composed when he's having the ball.
Lawrence Osei. Abednego gets the touch.
You just need an assistant runner behind Abednego. He's going to win all the aerial and contact draws for you.
Lord Amoa. And Ishmael Ado turning. He wins a goal kick.
Brilliant play from Ismail Ado, just 19 years of age. Sitting in the heart of midfield, close to the defenders, giving security and safety, tracking down runners of Asante Kotoko.
Ball touched once again. Another foul. And this time, it will be the first yellow card of the game to Bismarck and him.
Former of to do mighty jet. Bismarck and him. That tackle was
Christian Ajenim Boateng. He's been a tough player to handle this afternoon for Kotoko.
and he scored against Dreams FC. Just prowling offensively, searching for a prey.
Ntim Amoa Tinedu Baba Asiedu goes back to Tinedu. And you could see that level of calmness and confidence from Samuel Tinedu, the former Ebony FC and Legon City's midfielder.
With that mistake, and Obin Jr. is never going to spare you. Kamara just flying as if he could add some wings and legs to his feet to save this ball.
But was it really
turnover?
A faulty pass from Kamara? Look, he was just trying to clear.
But the support in midfield and options for him to, I believe, from this turnover, the ball was ballooned. My problem is just 2 versus 1. Look at how the attacker manages to force the ball to Kamara.
The midfielders of Kotoko were late,
Of course.
in trying to recover. What a goal that was from Obin Jr. Samba O'Neill with a header. Abednego yet to get to himself and make an impact in the game. The time waits for no man, so the game continues. You need to force your way into it. Else we end the game and you are just a mere passenger. Samuel Tinedu with a pass towards Bassi. Tinedu gets it back. In Tim.
Tinedu is now freeing Intim to join the attack, and I think that's a very nice move because Intim got this incisive passes anytime he's having the ball.
And still Samuel Tinedu. Peter Kwamidu. Lord Amoa. No way anywhere says Heart of Lions.
Just check the number of players marking out the attackers of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No spaces.
Samuel Tinedu won the ball back beautifully, but the flag goes up against Patrick Asiedu.
Tinedu is restoring some security in midfield and how he's distributing the balls. His home soil. He's feeling at home. Tinedu. Very calm, very composed.
Good job, Opin Junior. Opin Junior strikes. This time, no mistakes from Kamara.
Obi will not involve in play, but just get the ball to him. The former Hasfolk player. Pulling strings from all angles. And no mistake for the first goal. Kojo Obin Jr.
Across towards Kojo. And this time it was too high for him to pick up.
The clock not in Kotoko's favor.
That was a ball won by Tinedu. And the offside was against Patrick Asiedu. And Lord Amoa. Let's hope he's not forced off.
That would be a big blow because having your best attacker or best goal scorer, Albert Amoa, out of the game, then one of the reliable hands in the right back position, Lord Amoa, also down.
A bit of disappointment in the faces of the fans. It is obvious when a big club loses or gets on the verge of losing, it becomes difficult. Fernando Bassi, the Heart of Lions, have him checked. Good turn. Opin Junior, flag goes up.
His timing runs very well, but this time he was caught offside. Kojo Obin Jr. Look at how disappointing they are looking.
Baba Yaya, Asiedu. Yaya adding a bit of creativity. Fernando Bassi. Asiedu with a cross. Ebenezer Aban, the controller in defense. Ball touch towards him. Baba gets there. Foul.
Just watch that link up and that pass to Obin Jr. and
Tamidu Baba. Baba tried it with the right foot. And that is obviously his weaker.
Baba Yaya. He was the key player for King Faisal. But after joining Kotoko, we are here to see the best of Baba Yaya within Kotoko colors.
And I think this afternoon he's giving us glimpses.
He's adding some touch in attack. Short passes. Incisive ones. But this ball, Baba should have done better. Some players do score from their weaker foot at times. Especially when you're within the 18-yard box.
Down so yaw. Abednego.
The legend is here. Daniel Niaji.
He played for Kotoko for so many years. Siedu.
Less than 10 minutes for Kotoko to do the job. To maintain that unbeaten run here.
Fernando Bassi. Lacking some calmness. And Lord Amoa, that tackle on Ishmael Ado.
Will this be Kotoko's first defeat at home against their former head coach who won them 2007-2008 league title, Bashir Hayford?
More than 7 minutes before that story can be written.
They drew 1-1 against Adriana Stars, 2-2 against Dreams FC, goalless against Midiama, and they lost by 1-0 against Karela United in terms of their away performances.
Saka to Baba. Will Baba get another option? Baba still holding the ball, looking to release it. Fernando Bassi. Back to Baba.
Sideway passes isn't the solution for Kotoko. But again, watch the wall at the back. Almost all the players in defense, closing spaces and limiting distances.
Obin Jr. He has that trust in Abednego that whenever he puts the ball in, he has the ability to fight for it. 9-10. Bassi. Asiedu. Kotoko seemed to be lacking that presence in the box after Abetamwa was forced off.
Of course, and it's obvious. Saka Dauda can give that box presence. And then again, Peter Amidu cannot offer you that. Baba Yaya is not having the height. Fernando loves to come in from the wide area. But all the time, 3 players on Saka Dauda.
Saka Dauda has managed to get another foul. And Ruben Hennessy, Abednego Tete, Tansu Yao, Ishmael Ado, all around the referee seeking for explanations and clarity.
Peter Amidu manages his way to get the ball in. But guess what? Saka Dauda for Bofu last season, he could play on both flanks and then again assume the false 9 role. And he's doing it this afternoon. But guess what? Ebenezer Aban, Ruben Hennessy are not giving him the spaces enough to do that magic. lot of set pieces for Kotoko within sensitive zones, but just how to convert. Can Babaya create that magic?
Babaya, yeah. Can he do it? No.
Disappointing. Kick from Babaya.
Kamara and Wisdom Fernando Bassi unable to keep it in.
Kotoko here at home, they drew 1-1 against Young Apostles, 1-0 win against Accra Lions, and then again against Nswatraman, again against Samatex. 1-1 goal you could see running through their form this season, but here again against their former coach Bashiru Effort, most experienced I call him. He knows how to do it. He was with Ashgood 2015 and won the league with them.
Zlatan Apetenago.
It's going to be a back-to-back defeat for the Pokemon Warriors. Something the fans wouldn't accept.
In team. Gets to Baba. Baba driving forward, knowing that he has space. Tinedu to Asiedu. Ball was meant for Fernando Bassi, and Kotoko gets another foul.
Lot of set pieces for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, but different players altogether affecting these balls, and it is clear that they're not having a specialist who can convert something from such moment. And it's quite worrying for Asante Kotoko.
Looking at the signals, the ball may be passed outside the box for a shot, and that is what Tinedu does. And you saw coach in your shot signaling Tinedu to remain behind the box.
That was a good one, but that block within the box.
Justice play, Ebenezer Ban was able to go above him. Tinedu, Kotoko substitutes having impact on the game, but they just can't score.
And check the wall. And look at the gestures from Bashiru Hayford. Just very calm.
Seven minutes of additional time. We'll go into the 97th minute before the game will be decided.
Now the question is, are you going to go all out and allow Kotoko to find spaces at the back line, or you want to go with the all 3 points? Coach Bashiru Hayford, I believe he can do it, because for full 90 minutes. He was able to hold Kotoko.
And this is the moment top teams shimmer extraordinarily. Let's see if Kotoko can do same. Ball in by Amoa. Lawrence Osei got a vital touch. Asiedu, a grounded cross. Fernando Bassi, and still in team looking for space to shoot. Tinedu tense. Baba Asiedu. No problems for Heart of Lions.
A rock hard defense and a big sort of setup. A lot of numbers. Joint effort defending. No spaces at all. In team spreaded the ball wide. Lord Amabo came in. But look at that reflexes from Lawrence Osei.
Blay O'Neill. Joseph Ablo being missed.
Really?
Jobin Jr., calm down. You need to calm down.
And Kotoko should avoid such altercations because it is going to their disadvantage.
It whiles down the clock. Emmanuel Kofi Sechi and Kojobin Jr. needs to be stretched off. And again, we have his goal.
Just watch it. How could you engage the striker to force you push the ball to your goalkeeper? But on a very normal grounds, Kamara should have opted for at least a throw-in, but he was having that belief that at least there will be somebody in the middle of the park. But the distance from his kick was too massive, and Obindunia will never spare you from there.
Heart of Lions. Ball lost by Kwesipong Saka. Still Saka Dauda. Gets to Tim. Tinedu goes to the far right. The Penizarban missed that. Nice touch from Tete. Abetineko against Asiedu.
Frustrations everywhere.
I think Abed should relax.
You just want to create that chaotic environment to keep your attention on him. Abednego Tete experience.
Obin Jr. struggling to continue the game. Samba ball to Fernando. Offside. The flag was already up.
After Lagos City's defeat, Coach Prosper Ogum said they created the chances, but they were just unlucky. And before this game, Daniel Niaje, the assistant coach, said they're going to give a good game and a tough one for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And Bashiru Hayford, the most experienced. In 2007-2008, he won the league with Kotoko. And then in 2015, with Ash Gold, 52 points that year. Prosper Nateogu. Looking worried. What is actually the problem? They've moved from scoring one goal into conceding a goal that they cannot equalize. And the dominance from Heart of Lions on Kotoko is increasing. In 6 games, 4 wins, 1 draw, and 1 loss. Heart of Lions.
The 7 minutes already up. A few seconds. And the game is still continuing. When will Heart of Lions hear that very vital final whistle? Let's see.
It's going to be the first ever defeat here at the Link Lane. And what a moment it will be for Coach Bashiru Hayford. He knows this step very well when he was with Ash Gold. Just look at their away record. 1-1 against Adriana, 2-2 against Dreams FC, goalless against the high flying medium team, and they lost only that one against Karela.
The game has come to an end, and just like a dream, a melodramatic fairy tale of perfect instinct from Heart of Lions. They have done it. What no other team could do has been done by Heart of Lions. And you can see the hugs of intent, hugs of self-fulfillment from the players. Kotoko looking all dejected. Go back, visit the notes, and come back stronger. That will be the message.
Back-to-back defeat for the Pokupan Warriors. And it's not looking good for them after that defeat against Lagos City. I can say they gifted Lagos City all the 3 maximum points. The one goal project effect is now hurting Kotoko the most. Credit to Bashiru Hayford.
It's all over here. Kotoko 0, Heart of Lions 1.
in Tatia, and I'm an ex-girlfriend. What do you want to be ex-girlfriend? But no ex-girlfriend in the bar. I'm going to draw. Second to compo, I never made it point. Made it point. But what to make it point? I know I am someone standing on the Carol.
Frank Yanko.
Heart of Lions. It was all done by the experienced Bashir Hayford and coach